Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mirza, and today in this video I will show you a powerful and nutrient-packed juice blend which is vibrant, refreshing and loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and cleansing properties. So we are going to go in my backyard and get some fresh mint. So for this juice recipe, we will be using Amla, Indian gooseberries, ginger, lemon, kiwi, red pears, oranges, celery, Granny Smith, and mint. And like always, I will be using the Never Clog Ninja Cold Press Juicer. And please do not forget to wash all your produce before juicing. So we will start with celery. Celery is hydrating and rich in electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It is anti-inflammatory and supports blood pressure balance. It also promotes kidney cleansing and reduces water retention. Celery is also great for gut health due to natural fiber and phytonutrients. And then we will use mint. Mint soothes digestion and reduces bloating. It freshens breath and supports respiratory health. It has mild antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. It adds a cooling and refreshing flavor to the juice. Ginger stimulates digestion and relieves nausea. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It boosts metabolism and immunity, and it enhances circulation and adds warmth to the juice. Kiwi is an excellent source of vitamin C, even more than oranges. It supports respiratory health and reduces oxidative stress. It aids with its natural enzymes called actinidin. It also promotes heart health by lowering blood pressure. Granny Smith apple is high in fiber pectin, aids digestion and supports gut health. It regulates blood sugar levels and it also promotes satiety and supports weight management. It adds a crisp, tart balance to sweeter fruits. Red pears are packed with antioxidants and copper for cell repair. It is an excellent source of soluble fiber, promoting digestion and gut health. It also helps in maintaining hydration and glowing skin due to high water content. Amla or Indian gooseberries are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, 20 times more than orange. It strengthens immunity and supports healthy hair and skin. It improves liver health and metabolism, and it also helps balance blood sugar and detoxify the system. Lemon has strong alkalizing and detoxifying effect. It stimulates liver function and digestion. It supports collagen production and brightens skin. It is a natural preservative for your juice because it prevents oxidation. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. It boosts immunity and collagen production. It is hydrating and supports skin glow. It is a natural detoxifier that helps flush toxins, and it also improves iron absorption when combined with leafy greens or amla, or the Indian gooseberries. So here is the combined benefits of this juice. I hope this helps. Please do watch the video until the end for a pro tip. I hope this juice recipe will help you or your loved ones. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be back with the new video. Have a great day. Eat well, live well.